I cloned a viral YouTube channel using AI, and in just 7 days, it went absolutely viral. Well, in this video, I'll show you the exact strategy I used to achieve these results. But let's start from the beginning. The video you're watching right now took me only 10 minutes to create, and I didn't need a professional team that would cost thousands of dollars. The only thing I used was AI, and the name of this niche is called AI Stories niche. These videos are gaining millions of views every day. And the best part is that you need little to no time to create a video like this. With the tools we'll use, you'll get a professional script, voiceover, and even animated videos. And yes, we will get all of that completely free. To start off, open ChatGPT and ask it to give you channel name ideas for an animated stories YouTube channel. Once you pick the name you want, ask ChatGPT to create a short channel description for your chosen name. And just like that, you'll have the channel name and description ready to go. Now, the only thing we're missing is the channel logo. To create this, we'll use AI, and let me show you a great way to do it for free. Go back into ChatGPT and ask it to create an image prompt for your logo. This prompt will be used to generate the logo with AI. Now copy the entire image prompt you got, and once that's done, open Leonardo AI. Once you're in, click on the image generation tool here. Make sure to set the preset to Leonardo Phoenix. Another important step is to set the image dimensions to square. After you set the correct settings, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click generate. This tool is great because it gives you 150 free credits daily, so you can generate multiple images if you want to. And just like that, you have your logo. The results are pretty good considering that everything is free. Now pick the logo that you want and make sure to download it by clicking on the download button below. Now we have the channel name, the description, and a pretty good logo, so let's put all of that together and create our channel. After we do that, you won't believe the amount of knowledge I'm about to share with you that will help you make a banger video. To create a channel, open YouTube, click on your logo, then click View All Channels. And here you will find the Create a Channel button. Go back into ChatGPT and copy the name that you have chosen. After that, paste the name into the name box and upload the logo that you have made previously. Once that's done, click on the Create Channel button, and just like that, you have created your YouTube channel. To touch it up a bit, copy the channel description that you have created with ChatGPT, paste it into the description box, and your channel is ready. Now that you have created your YouTube channel, let me show you how you can create a viral video. First, you need a video idea, and if you don't have one, simply open ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you video ideas for an animated story video, but make sure to include people in it, as sometimes it can forget to add them. Once that's done, you will have a handful of ideas that you can use. Now choose the one that you like the most, copy it, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, ask ChatGPT to give you a script for that video idea, but make sure to ask it to only include the narrator. This way, your script will be a clean story script. Just for the sake of this video to not be too complicated for you, I will ask ChatGPT to make this script shorter so you can learn from me without spending hours of your time. Since we will use AI to create the whole video, you need to create video prompts that will perfectly match the script you have created. To do that, ask ChatGPT to give you video prompts representing each scene while including the full settings in each prompt. Also specify that each video length should be 6 seconds, as that's the duration we will use for the videos. And as easy as that, you are ready to create your story. Video next, we'll use a tool called Creonix.pro. This amazing tool will help you generate the videos you need. So open Creonix.pro and click on the AI Gen Toolkit button. And here you can see Creonix.pro provide you many AI tools that are very helpful. But in this time, we need text to video tools. Simply click on it. Next to the generate button, there's a quantity button right here. You can customize how many videos you want to generate per video prompt. I'm using one as an example, but you can choose to use any numbers of video per prompt. Next, go back into ChatGPT and copy the first video prompt. After that, return to Creonix.pro and paste it into the prompt box. Once that's done, just click generate, and after a few minutes, your videos will be ready. As you can see, we've generated some pretty good videos that are completely free. Now, make sure to do the same for all of the prompts you have one by one. Paste the prompts into Creonix.pro and generate each video. Also, if you see a big waiting time for each video, don't worry. Those numbers are not real, and the videos will be ready much faster. And boom! In just a few minutes, we've created some pretty good videos that perfectly match our story. Now, make sure to download each video you've generated, and let's head over to create the voiceover. Now let me show you an easy way to create one that perfectly matches the script you've just created. First, open ChatGPT and copy the entire script. Now the tool we'll use for the voiceover is called DupDub AI. Once you're in, make sure to paste the script in the text box. On the right side, you see Select Voice button, click on it, and here you'll find all of the voices you can use. I prefer to use Alden Walsh since it's the best one for storytelling. Once everything is set, click Generate Speech and let's see the result.
Zion is a spoiled rich boy who treats his driver, Imran, and Imran's son, Daniel, with disrespect. After Zion embarrasses Daniel at school, Imran decides to teach him a lesson. He makes both boys switch lives for 1 week. Zion wakes up in the driver's small house.
You can see for yourself that this is a banger voiceover, and this tool is the best one you can use. Now just make sure to download the voiceover, and now let's put our video together. To do that, we will use CapCut. First, click on the import button and import the voiceover and all of the videos that you have created. Now drag down the voiceover into the editing bar. After that's done, one by one, drag all of the videos into the editing bar, but make sure that they go in order as you have created them earlier to match the entire script. If you have extra length of a video at the end, simply click on the end of the video and drag it to the left so that it matches the length. Next, you can import any background music that you want and drag it down into the editing bar. After that, make sure to cut it at the end and delete the rest of it so that it matches our video. Also set the music volume to around -10 so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. We are missing the captions, so let's add them. Go ahead and open the text menu on the top. There you will find the auto captions tool, so click on it. Then select the language that you want and click generate. And just like that, we have created captions for the entire video. Now let's make them even better. On the right side, you can find the text templates menu. There you can use a handful of templates all for free, but this one looks the best for me, so I will use it. The only thing you need to do is to export the video. Simply click on the export button, choose 4K and 60 frames per second, and then click export. Now let's see how the final video looks like.
Zion is a spoiled rich boy who treats his driver, Imran, and Imran's son, Daniel, with disrespect. After Zion embarrasses Daniel at school, Imran decides to teach him a lesson. He makes both boys switch lives for 1 week. Zion wakes up in the driver's small house, deals with cold water, shared rooms, and walks to school with an old backpack. He struggles with chores, cheap food, and studying without help. For the first time, he feels how difficult life can be without money. Daniel spends the week in Zion's mansion, where the luxury is exciting but the rules, pressure, and expectations make him uncomfortable and stressed. By the end of the week, Zion understands how hard Imran works and how badly he treated people. He returns home changed, humble, grateful, and respectful. He apologizes to Imran's family and stops looking down on anyone.
Considering that we have created this video for free and we have done it in under 10 minutes, the video looks pretty good. Now, just to prove to you that this video is monetizable, let's upload it on our channel and see what happens. But first, we are missing the thumbnail. So let's open ChatGPT and ask it to give you an image prompt that will perfectly represent the story you've created. After that, copy the prompt you have created and open Leonardo AI. First, set the image dimensions to 16 by 9, then paste the prompt into the prompt box and click generate. Once you have the images, find the one that you like and download it. Next, open Canva, choose the YouTube thumbnail template and add your image, scale it to fit, then add a text box, paste the story name, adjust the font and size. Finally, download the thumbnail and let's head over to upload the video, open YouTube, and import the video you have created. Use the same title from ChatGPT for your video. For the description, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a compelling description for the story video. Once you have the description, copy it and paste it into the description box. Next, upload the thumbnail you've created. After that, make sure to select that the video is not made for kids so you can monetize it. Now for the big reveal, let's see if it's monetizable. And boom! In the check section, you'll see that the video is monetizable and free of copyright material. With that, you're ready to start your YouTube channel. Keep pushing and see you in the next video.